With the increase in population, the demand of food production has been increased substantially. In order to meet each and every doorstep of consumer, the use of chemical fertilizers, insecticides increased. Environment is getting more and more poisonous day by day. Due to our sedentary lifestyle, many diseases are now becoming lifestyle disorders. Hence, it is very important to find root cause for them. Diabetes, obesity, hypertension, names may be different, but they all have same root cause, that is glucose imbalance. Yes, glucose imbalance. Go back in 1950s, you will find only few people suffering from diabetes, but now 1 in 6 in the world suffering from diabetes are from India. Many adolescents and teens are now at prebiotic stage. If it continues like this in near future, we are going to face many such health issues and chronic problems. Hence, it is important to change our lifestyle. By the end of this video, I am going to give you a clear view about what to avoid and what to include. Believe me, if you follow all this, surely you will get cured by yourself. Ushapan is one of the time-tested practice in India since ages. Storing water overnight in a copper vessel and drinking early in the morning is one of the best natural ways to remove toxins from the body. So how to do this? Get up early in the morning by 6 am, sit comfortably, drink water as much as you can, but as the day progresses, try to increase the quantity of water. Please note, Ushapan should be done in sitting, not by standing. Next, walking. Consider walking as a part of your diet after each and every meal. Initially set up a target to walk at least 30 to 40 minutes and day by day try to increase this without forcing yourself. Please note, while walking, duration is more important than accuracy. Next, yoga pranayamas. They are very simple yet effective. Just by sitting in Gnan Mudra, one can do all these pranayamas. But while doing this, avoid all your personal problems, family problems. Give your 100%. Your food is your medicine. Whatever food you eat, that should add medicinal values to your body. Hence, it is very important to know what to avoid and what to eat. Avoid white rice, maida, sugar, salt, packet milk, white bread, refined oils, chicken, eggs. Next, breakfast. Breakfast is often most important meal of the day because the glucose production in the body starts from here itself, so never ever skip breakfast. The key in food is it should be rich in fiber, optimum in proteins and carbohydrates like vegetable poha, moong dal dosha, besan kachila, handful of sprouts. Staying hungry for longer period of time will spike up your insulin levels and that will affect the body throughout the day. For lunch, what to eat? White rice? Brown rice? No. Ignore them. Millets. Millets are the superfoods. Millets are gluten-free, rich in fiber, optimum in proteins. They have all values which human body needs to function properly, but unfortunately millets are missing in our staple food. Millets come in different variants: little millet, barnyard millet, brown top millet, kudo millet, foxtail millet. Millets come in different shape, size and color. Each millet has its own significance. While consuming millet, don't stick to a particular one. Rotation is important. If you prefer foxtail for 2 days, then kudo for 2 days, like that. In order to get maximum benefits out of them, rotation is important. Use home spices wisely. Ditch all those packet masalas. Prefer using home spices: cinnamon, ginger, garlic, hing, turmeric, clove. They all have excellent healing properties. Works better for you. In order to stay hydrated for longer period of time, drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. Weekly twice or thrice. Early morning, drink bitter gourd juice in a small quantity. It will help you to manage glucose levels in the body. Soak 2 in cinnamon overnight in the water and consume early in the morning. Similarly, use fenugreek powder either in vegetable salads or in curries, and jamun seed powder after lunch and dinner. There is no need to drink all 4 of them in a day. Any 2 is enough. For dinner, prefer eating only fruits and vegetables, but the quantity of fruits and vegetables to be consumed depends upon the blood sugar levels in the body. If your blood sugar level is low, then you can opt for all the fruits and vegetables which I have shown here. But if your blood sugar level is high, then prefer ashgard, spinach, methi, broccoli in vegetables, amla, guava in the fruits. You can prefer them in the form of salad or mixed vegetable soup. Now it is the time to implement the final step. Create a to-do list that includes all your daily routine. Checkboxing them every day gives you immense satisfaction and positivity. That's all for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry for my normal video editing skills. All I have is a normal mobile phone. This is my first video on my first channel, RRR, Revive, Rebuild, Rejuvenate. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a better content each and every week. My name is Praveen Kumar. Thank you so much for watching.